How you look like this? We are becoming big, guys. See my stomach. Every day we are growing. Yeah, this is how my tummy looks like. It's becoming big, right? My stomach is becoming big every day. So I just took my shower. When I came home, I just rushed to the shower because if I sit down, it will be difficult for me to bath. So I'm feeling sleepy. I'm also feeling hungry at the same time. Yesterday I ate around 1 a.m. Just imagine today too. It will be, but today I don't want to eat heavy food like that. I don't know what is in the fridge, but let's see what I will eat this night before I sleep. Because if it was left with me alone, I will not eat anything. But because of my baby inside me, because of my darling baby, I have to eat something for my baby. Yeah. So my husband is in the living room. Can you see him? He's doing overnight. Guys, if I tell you the time I'm here cooking, there was this food that I have to there was this food in the microwave that my husband said I can eat, but all of a sudden I crave for this spaghetti. Just imagine. And it's 12:40. Is it not crazy? Look at the time. 12:40 a.m. and I come to eat this. When you are pregnant, we don't check weight, we don't check calories. All you check is you've eaten balanced diet. We don't check the time. So it's for the baby. Yeah, it's for the baby. I think this is how I want it. I want the vegetable to be crunchy. I don't want it to be soft. Maybe my husband will eat some, so I have to just consider. So I'll let the vegetables steam a little so that it will be soft. You will not eat now. Can you guys see my food? Yeah. This is my food. Spaghetti and vegetable.